and good afternoon. Okay, first, can you tell us about yourself?
Okay, Waalaikumsalam warahmatullahi wabarakatuh and good afternoon. My name is Nur Lydia binti Shamsuddin. I am 23 years old. I am a student and took bachelor's degree in management policy study at University Malaysia Terengganu since 2017 until to 2020. I have 6 siblings and I am the second from my 6 siblings. I also come from Kampung Kepala Gajah, Jerteh Besut Terengganu. I am also a person who like to work when I have a free time. My work experience is that I used to work at the Sony EMCS Malaysia at Bangi. I worked at Sony for 8 months while waiting for a decision to continue my study. Furthermore, I also work as a teacher at the Pusat Jagaan Salman Al Farisi Alfar for over 3 months during the semester break. I also have a um, I also have a hobby to teaching the student, and I I like to I like to do something when I have a free time. That's all for question number one.
Okay, for the next, why do you like this field?
Okay, I love this field because this field has taught me a lot about national economics, public policy, policy making skills, policy analyzing skill, and so on. I also choose this field because I am very interested in learning more about the policy of the country in Malaysia. Next, this field will also help me to practice my talent before I work one day at big company, and at the same time uh, it can bring me to a company and be I as a worker in a good reputation. That's all.
Okay, for the question number three is, what have you read lately?
Okay, for the question number three is what I have been reading lately is about the COVID-19 virus pandemic in Malaysia. The government has implemented a curfew order known as the PKP, Perintah Kawalan Pergerakan, for no more than 2 months. This COVID-19 in Malaysia is caused by one of the Malaysian traveling at Italy, and that it has brought the virus back to Malaysia and did not inform to the government and KKM. This caused the COVID patients to infect their close contact and subsequently infect a few Malaysian who attend weddings in at the Bandar Baru Bangi, and several devotees attending the ceremony at Masjid Seri Petaling. In addition, the outbreak become more serious and gaining worldwide attention. The government in Malaysia has implemented a smart decision to solve this problem, and now the people of Malaysia are through phase 4 of the recovery phase, such as Perintah Kawalan Pergerakan Pemulihan (PKPP). All Malaysian people are thanking to all frontliners at Malaysia, such as KKM, PDRM, ATM, and so on. That's all for question number three.
Okay, for the next question is, what is your major weakness?
Okay, my main weakness is that I am weak in English, and I am currently working on the improving my grammar, vocab, and understanding English so that I can speak well and clearly. I also realize that English is very important in in um, everyday life today because everything in is in English language. I also need to do a lot of practice thing to get myself ready and be confident to do something such as interview or looking for a great job. So I have more practice lah. Okay, that's all for question number 4.
Okay. For the question number 5, where do you see yourself next 5 years from now?
Okay, I see for the question number 5, if is I see myself in the next 5 years is that I have a great and successful career. I am also convinced that at the time I was married and had a loving husband and had a son. I also believe that the during time I also can get a beautiful and comfortable house. Beside that, I can get my dream car. Um, in addition, I also want to make both my parents happy, and I want to reward those who have been tired of carrying me since childhood. I also wish I could take care of my parents until the end of their days. Okay, that's all.
Okay. For the last question, what activities were you involved on campus and what you learned from them?
Okay. For the last question is question number 6. My activities on campus were for me to join a mural club at UMT and my club pengakak. What I learned from the mural club was that I was able to contribute my drawing talents to the community. The mural club also have a lot of job to do, especially at school, restaurant, tabika kemas, mosque, and so on. I was also able to paint a good mural after joining a club mural at MT. I have also been involved in the mural at program Anak Angkat at Kuala Berang, and I also attend the program Maskem at Sarawak through the mural club. This designer is very valuable to me and to the other members of the club mural club. Next, I also gained a lot of knowledge when I joined the Club Pengakap Kelana C at EMT because many of the program I participate and I join in were clubs such as for expedition at the Sungai Kelemeng Dungun, program Rakan Sebaya Pengakap, program Pengakap PR, PN and PKK squad to send the vigil reward and so on. I also proud myself for being given the opportunity to participate in program that involve the community and also provide me with a wealth of new knowledge and experience that has been invaluable through my life at UMT. That's all. Thank you.